Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. With a market cap of $13 billion, Domino's Pizza is a S&P 500 company within the restaurants industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 12%. Earnings growth, 25.8%. Earnings estimates, 11.78%. Return on capital, 62.16%. Debt to free cash flow, 9.45 years. Share buybacks, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1.13%. Payout ratio, 27.75%. Growth rate, 19.63%. Growth years, 9 years. That gives Domino's Pizza 7 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Based on historical multiples and future estimates, Domino's Pizza is modestly undervalued. What's your thoughts on Domino's Pizza in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a stock request in the comments regarding future videos. Also, please consider subscribing and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.